Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the high school years pack in The Sims 4. To begin, create a new teen sim or age up an existing one in Create a Sim. Once your teen sim is ready, enroll them in Copperdale High School. You can then explore the vibrant new world of Copperdale, which includes the high school building, the thrift tea store, and Plumbite Pier. Get ready for a brand new chapter of your Sim's life, filled with academic challenges and social adventures. During the school week, your Sim will attend classes, where they can take notes or even nap. Encourage them to participate in extracurricular activities like football or cheerleading to boost skills and make friends. Remember to complete homework assignments and study for exams to maintain good grades, which are crucial for their future. You'll also experience exciting school events such as prom, where your Sim can be crowned royalty, and a memorable graduation ceremony. After the final bell, the fun continues. Your Sim can join various after-school clubs, from chess to computer club, enhancing their skills and social circle. Consider getting a part-time job at the thrift tea store or as a streamer to earn some extra simoleons and gain valuable work experience. Spend time with friends at the Plumbite Pier, riding the Ferris wheel, or grab a bubble tea. These interactions are key to developing your Sim's unique personality and aspirations. Personalize your Sim's experience by customizing their bedroom and school locker with posters and decorations. Utilize the new Social Bunny app to connect with friends, share updates, and even start trends. Every choice your Sim makes, from their friendships to their academic performance, will influence their reputation and future opportunities. Explore the latest fashion trends and create unique outfits to express your Sim style, making their high school journey truly unforgettable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.